electric stuff, you know, people fly together anyway.
Okay.
So if it's just, I try to make like maybe turbines and other shit, not.
Right. I just don't want to be a guest and hog up everything.
Timer cleared.
It'll be a short flight.
Go ahead. You sure? Yeah.
Gear up.
Must have flown it with a light battery last time.
Better flying foamies for sure.
Yeah, this thing's awesome.
So far I haven't had much luck. I had a 50% crash rate with any foamy that I fly.
Oh, don't do that. Is he gonna go up, or is he just watching?
Just come on up, Dave. Huh? Come on up. There's plenty of space. Huh? There's plenty of space. Yeah.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Can't see your fiery butt. It's too bright.
I can see it through my glasses if you look right.
Yeah, I gotta see the butt.
Let me do it again so you can see.
I was looking at something else when you pulled up.
Okay, I'll turn to the left.
Oh, there it is.
Now this thing's cool because once you get it going, it holds its momentum.
That's cool.
But if you slow down, then it really slows down. So I just
Time remaining 1 minute.
keep the
Flying surface, all
yeah,
of it.
I just keep the speed up and it's good. I'm not doing anything crazy, am I? Okay.
No, I mean, just something as a perception thing. If you're behind this box, you're not.
Okay. Good to know.
Time remaining 20 seconds.
Alright, I'll come in. Alright, I'm setting up to land.
Gear down 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
It is.
1.
There's a delay.
Time expired.
On a lot of these new Freewings, they have a delay because they go through that board with the sequencer for the lights. So it takes like 5-10 seconds for them to come out.
Look at that.
All right, all yours.
This time I will fly.
Better.